Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. Look at over here what we have got over here. This is our earth with a tree on it. As you can see, the tree is green, and all the other the parts which are seem to be green, they refers to the greenery of the earth. And greenery of the earth is very important. It directly refers that we have to grow more trees, and we don't have to cut trees, because by cutting this we are uh, lowering the level of the oxygen, and oxygen is very important for our breathing. And the pollution rate is pollution yani कि गंदगी आलूदगी, it's getting more and more in the atmosphere. And due to this, there is a cover over here that is called ozone layer. वो it is getting destroyed, वो destroy हो रही है. ठीक है ना. जैसे हम ग्लासेस पहनते हैं सूरज में जाते वक्त, वो हमें बचाते हैं आँखों को. इसी तरह अर्थ को बचाने के लिए, सूरज की हार्श रेज से बचाने के लिए उसके गिर्द एक कवर होता है. जैसे तकिए के ऊपर गलाफ का कवर होता है, इसी तरह इसका एक कवर होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ओजोन लेयर. वो ख़राब हो रही. सो यू हैव टू ग्रो मोर ट्रीज एंड लेस कटिंग. लेस कटिंग करें, ज़्यादा ट्रीज लगाएं. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, saying we can take care of earth by, there are so many other ways we can take care of the earth. We are going to discuss, because here it's written, let's take care of our earth, but what are the ways by which we can take care of our earth? We can take care of our earth by in three ways. Look at over here, there are three arrows, they're going round and round and round. What's the basic reason of these? As you can see, we can take care of the earth by following 3 R's. We have to follow 3 R's. What are 3 R's? This is recycle, reduce, and reuse. These are the 3 R's which are very important in saving the earth. First of all, we're going to see recycle. What is meant by recycle? Recycle means कि किसी भी चीज़ को दोबारा से दोबारा इस्तेमाल कैसे करना, उसको दोबारा डी शेप करना और उसको दोबारा नई एक शक्ल देना. And how is it possible? As you know that कि हमारे we got pet bottles and glass bottles, हम उसको trash man को दे देते हैं. We give it to the trash man. The trash man take it to the factories where they separate the glass material and the plastic material separate, and again then they melted them again, and they made new bottles, new pet bottles, and many more things by these things. This is called the recycling. And also we got plastic plates and plastic jugs, and everything is we throw it away, we give it to the trash man, they take it to the factory where they recycle it. This is called recycle, and it's very important. It is very important that we should adopt recycling, and because it is good for our atmosphere. Second, look at over here, second R is reduce. रिड्यूस का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज़ का कम कर देना. इस्तेमाल करें लेकिन कम करें एहतियात के साथ. व्हाट इज मेंट बाय रिड्यूस? कि कम कर देना. Look it over here, here's a glass of water over here. Never fill the glass if you want to drink till here. Always fill with half. First finish that water, then you can fill it up again. Don't waste the water, okay? And the same is with that, when you are washing a car, you fill a bucket of water and then you wash a car. Likewise, the garage, the house, you can fill a bucket with that, and then you can wash it with little water, with security of water. Secure water करें आप, उसको save करें water. Don't waste time, waste water. Same is the case when you are brushing your teeth, you close the tap, and when you are brushed, then you can turn it on for gargling. Same is the when you are taking a bath. Same, when you put on the soap, then you can turn on the tap. So there are so many ways we can reduce, especially now that we can save the energy. How can we save the energy? By turning off the extra lights. If you're not in the room, you can turn off the light. You don't have to turn it on, because this is the wastage of electricity. So reduce reduce it. Okay, and here, look it over here, what we have got over here.